I've done this once before on camera with you guys, and I'm doing it again today because I cannot stand the length of my hair. It's this awkward mid-length, and I am not a fan. Long hair on me is not a vibe. It's not good. It's not fun. You think like, oh, maybe it would be good. It doesn't happen, okay? It doesn't look good because I have such fine, thin hair that the longer it gets, the worse it gets. So I'm gonna chop it off today, and I don't feel like going and getting my hair cut because I just did. I feel like I just did. So the last time I got my hair cut, I actually got it cut on camera. I did it in like a little vlog style. And when she cut it, I told her like, just go for it. Do a shag or a wolf cut or whatever. And it's not her. She did a lot of layers around my face, but the more layers you take, the thinner the rest of it gets. So since I got my hair cut, it's just looked really thin. It's not her fault. She literally is like the most incredible hairdresser. It's just the canvas she's working with is thin. I'm gonna cut my hair today, chopping it all off. I thought we would chat and have a good day. I'm gonna do some skincare while I do it as well. I wanted to try some different skincare. I have these right here. These are the Wishful Empowered Eye Lift and Contour Double Peptide Hydrogel Masks. It results in just 20 minutes. I believe it. We'll chat and hang out and talk about life and everything like that. I will chop off all my hair, and hopefully it will feel fun and fresh for summer, because right now it is not feeling good. I'm literally wearing it up constantly, and my son calls it a hair meatball because my hair is so thin. My bun is the size of a meatball. It's like 7:30 p.m. right now. My son just came in here and told me that he's tired and wants to go to bed. How rare is that for a 4-year-old? So it is the perfect time for me to sit down, toss some eye masks on, chat with you guys, and talk to you guys about today's sponsor, Oslo. If you guys have not tried Oslo, it is such a cool product. They are sleep buds and they are extremely comfortable. We think my husband has sleep apnea. It's not funny. His sleep study is in September. It's actually, they said his consultation is in September. Sleep study, we don't even know. That's how long it's out. He snores crazy loud. We have a really hard time sleeping next to each other. He needs to be listening to like a podcast. I need white noise to sleep because he's snoring so loud. And these work so good for noise masking. They have a white noise that plays in the earbuds. I'm a side sleeper, so these are the only earbuds that I can actually fall asleep in because I do sleep quite specifically only on my sides. And these are very flat, so they don't poke out and push into my ear. So you've got different sounds that you can choose from. Here in the bottom, you've got so many. There's Misty Rain, Babbling Brook, Crimson Creek, Fire Glow, Jade, Static, Ocean Tide, Rainfall, Soar, Stratus, Tumbling Waters. There's even alarm bells that you can choose if you need an alarm to wake you up. Whether you want to listen to white noise or you want to listen to Spotify, podcasts, meditations, it's your choice. I'm really sensitive to earbuds because I just find that a lot of them can be really uncomfortable. These are probably one of the most comfortable ones I've ever worn because they're so squishy on the tip, but also they sit so flush, and the fact that this goes in your ear really contours in and keeps them in place. So they are science-backed, so they mask disruptive sounds that you might have, like snoring. They auto-pause when you fall asleep too. I also find it so satisfying how they click back in. If you guys are interested in checking out Oslo Sleep, you guys can scan the QR code here on the screen or click the link in the description of this video using code RBEKR to get $10 off of your pair of Oslo Sleep Buds. And I thank you so much to Oslo for sponsoring today's video. We're gonna hop into chopping this off. Let's chop it off together. Okay, let's toss these on and do this, Saka. My husband wants me to cut his hair too. He just told me today, he's like, can you shave my head? And I've been opposed to it for a really long time because I just love his hair. He has such wonderful hair. It was like down to his butt at the beginning of this year. And then now I'm just kind of like, you know what? YOLO. The world is your oyster. How are you even supposed to do these? Are they supposed to be like this? Hair grows back. And he cannot stand his hair right now. He's like, dude, it is so annoying. Because it's like at this, we both have this weird awkward stage going on with our hair. My son needs a haircut too. I'm gonna go short, I think, like here. That already feels nice. I just can't with it right now. Like, I'm just at this stage of my life. I'm gonna take this towel off. It's annoying me. See how like this is an awkward length? And this is like already so much better. I'm gonna go shorter though. The main issue with cutting it myself at home is that I can never get the back short enough. It's just so unbelievably thin. Like, what? Wish I was one of those girls that had a neck. You know what I'm talking about? I don't have a neck. I don't have the kind of neck that even looks like a neck, much less can have a French bob. Those are freaking cute though. I love them. I love the French bob that everyone's getting. It's so short and sassy and cute. And then you have me, necklace McGee over here. I did at one time in my life have a neck, but it's so, okay, well, number one, this is way too long. We were watching home movies the other day. We have a lot of home movies from when I was a little kid. And I was a teenager in some of these, and you guys, wild to me that I had any insecurity whatsoever in my entire freaking life. How I was the most darling little thing. It kind of changed my life to watch these home movies because they're like from when I was what? I don't know, 13 or 14 in them. And I am sitting there with my then boyfriend, and number one, I'm kissing him on camera, and my parents are filming. My mom was filming. Why was I kissing my boyfriend? I don't remember them allowing such a thing, but I guess they did. But number two, I was darling. I was actually so darling in every single way. Like so like spunky and sweet and full of life. And me and my sister were watching this because you know how like, I don't know if you guys can relate to this, but like, you know, sometimes you can like think back on your childhood and you like remember it one way and you're like, are certain that that's how it actually was. That was how this was, okay? Like me and my sister were like watching it and we were like certain, we're like, okay, this was our life, this was our childhood. And then we were watching this video and I was like, that was our childhood? My memory didn't quite live up to like what actually happened. I think the trauma of my mom dying when I was but 16 years old changed my brain a little bit in a really bad way to where I like have really, I kind of like repressed a lot of things, and my childhood was really beautiful. Like I was looking at these videos and I don't know, just there was like things happening in the video where I like had no memory of that. I didn't remember being that age when things were happening in the video. I had felt like the moments were like, I don't know, there's just like totally different in my mind to what actually was happening in the video. I don't know how to describe it. Like I had replayed these events in my brain, and then when I see them on the video, I'm like, oh, that is not at all how I remembered that happening. And in fact, the way it happened was way less intense. It was just like, I don't know. I can't even describe it. Like, it's weird what brains can do. They can really kind of change things. Kind of for the worse, to be fair, because what I saw of my childhood in that video, I was like, oh, yeah, maybe things were not how I remember them, but in a good way. This side is kind of like whatever. What is going on with this? What is this? It freaks me out, bro. Like, why do I have such thin hair on this side? I don't think this could be anything, but you guys can let me know. When I was a teenager, 16, I think, 17, I don't know. I dyed my hair half white, half black. This side was the side that I bleached, and I put volume 40 on and left it on for 2 hours, and it melted off my hair. And I had a chemical burn on my forehead, on my head. Do you think that could have like affected the follicles of my hair to be like permanently damaged? Because it is literally absolutely wispy ass thin on the right side of my head, and the left side of my head is like, I mean, it's not thick, but it's certainly thicker. This side is like, the fuck is this? Like, what is this? It's so bloody thin. Oh, you hear me say that, and then you see me like kind of layering it, but it's like, it's because these long wispy ass pieces aren't doing me any favors, you know? Yeah, this side's like sassy and cute, and this side's like, okay, I totally washed my hair before this video, and tell me if it looks like I haven't washed my hair in 6 weeks. It's disgusting. As long as I can at least put a bend in my hair and give it some kind of movement, that's the length I care about. At least the cool thing is when you have short hair like this too, put a hat on and you can have like a cute little sassiness under a baseball cap. You know what I mean? You can like put your hair behind your ears and like, this hair does matter. What in the thin? Okay, we're gonna pop a quick curl into it so that I can feel like I'm not balding. I know what it is. I forgot. I washed my hair and then I used this conditioner. So I like the shampoo. It's called Purador. Although I do feel like it made my hair thinner. Even though it's supposed to be like a hair thickening shampoo, I feel like it didn't. I feel like it made my hair a little bit thinner, if that was even possible. Their conditioner, not my favorite. It actually makes my hair feel like I coated it in a layer of coconut oil. It's so annoying. It never feels clean if you use their conditioner. I'm just sorry, I'm just gonna say it. I like a lot of higher end shampoos and conditioners or something like that. Sometimes I like a good drugstore cheapie, you know? I ate a smash burger the other day from, I don't even know, it was like a food truck near my pottery studio. Brother, when I tell you it was the best smash burger I have ever had. Do you guys like a smash burger or a thick burger? I want a poll on this video. If you like thick burgers, hey, that is on you. I cannot relate to you in any way, shape, or form. I like my patty to be literally paper thin. Oh my God, this one was paper thin with American cheese, grilled onions, and special sauce. 2 patties, paper thin in between that, but oh baby girl, it was fucked me up good. It was so good. It was delicious. Anyway, loved that. Been dreaming about it since I had it. Want it again. And we are on this thing where we're like not eating out. We've been doing this for, I don't know, maybe like 6-8 weeks now. I don't even know how long it's been, 6 weeks probably. And we're like, the rule is no eating out, 2025. One of my favorite things to do in this entire world is go to a restaurant. The vibes, the feeling, especially if there's a live band, oh my God. We want to cook at home as much as humanly possible. We want to eat out and make it more of a special occasion thing instead of like an all the time thing. That's why I'm like talking about this smash burger, because I was at the pottery studio the other day and I DoorDashed it. When I tell you, it was like an experience. It was an experience. Because we're not eating out very much, it makes, when you do, so much better. If you do it all the time, it kind of loses its allure and then everything starts to sound kind of like, I don't want that, I don't want that. But if you do it like very little and you like cook all your meals at home, which number one, you're doing dishes literally 500 times a day. It's unfreaking believable. And then like once every couple weeks or like once a week or whenever you have like a special time, it makes it like 1,000 times better when you do, because you're like, it's like this special treat instead of like this everyday thing. We got into a really bad habit where we were eating out like, literally like every single day, because we thought we were too busy to cook at home, blah this and blah that. We weren't. We were not prioritizing it. You know what's, maybe these are coming back in. Are these gonna ever come back? Side part? Maybe I'm a side part girl. Center part bang lady feels cool in a different way. And I like it, but she's almost low key 50. No, she looks like a greaser. Hang on, that's too much hair. Maybe she was cute. And that's it. I really like it. What do you guys think? Don't care. But I do appreciate you, even if you do leave a comment telling me what you think. If you don't like it, don't care. If you do like it, thank you. Maybe I need to try a hair thickening supplement. Is there any thickening? I don't need length. I don't need growth. But I guess I would handle growth. If my hair were thicker, I wouldn't mind a long hair. Oh my God, my dream hair. I'm putting up a picture of my dream hair. Like if I could have one hair in this entire world, this is it right here. Long to my waist, thick, curly hair. But instead, I got chin length, no neck, looking like riffraff on a good day. You handle the cards you've been handed. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. Let's take these off and see if I had an instantly transformed eyes over 20 minutes. I don't know. What do you guys think? You're the ones looking at me. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you. I don't know why I'm thanking you so much. And I will see you at my next video.